नमस्कार दोस्तों, लीगल गुरुकुल में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा MCQ नंबर 3, जिसमें कि इंडियन पिनल कोड के 20 क्वेश्चन में आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 to 40। इससे पहले मैं दो सीरीज जो है नंबर 1 and 2, आई हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड द वीडियोस ऑफ MCQ नंबर 1 and 2 and each MCQ had 10 questions in it, but this video will have 20 questions, MCQ number 3. So let's begin. Question number 21. Which one of the following is not a public servant? Options: A. Liquidator, B. A civil judge, C. Member of Panchayat assisting a court of justice, D. Secretary of a cooperative society. And the correct answer is C. Member of a Panchayat assisting a court of justice. That is not a public servant. Question number 22. An Indian citizen commits any offence out of India. He, options are: A. He cannot be prosecuted in India as the act was not committed in India. B. Can be prosecuted in the country where the offence was committed. C. Can be prosecuted in India in any place in which he may be found. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Can be prosecuted in India in any place in which he may be found. Question number 23. Under which of the following situation would Indian court have jurisdiction? First, crime committed by an Indian in a foreign country. Second, crime committed by a foreign in India. Third, crime committed by a person or an Indian on an Indian ship. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Codes हैं A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 alone, D 1, 2 and 3. And the correct answer is D 1, 2 and 3. So the crime committed by Indian in a foreign country, crime committed by a foreigner in India, crime committed by a person on an Indian ship. So under these situations, Indian courts would have jurisdiction. Question number 24. Give correct response. An Indian citizen commits murder in America and makes good his escape to India. Options are: A can be prosecuted in India in any place where he is found because by virtue of section 4 of IPC, the code has extraterritorial application in case of offences committed by Indian citizen. B. A cannot be prosecuted in India because the act was not committed in this country. C. A can neither be prosecuted in America or in India, nor in India. D. A can only be prosecuted in America where the offence has been committed. And the correct answer is A. A can be prosecuted in India in any place where he is found because of virtue of section 4 of IPC. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 पे चलते हैं. गिव करेक्ट रिस्पॉन्स. ए कोरियन नेशनल कमिट्स मर्डर ऑफ बी एन इंग्लिश लेडी ऑन एन इंडियन एयरलाइंस प्लेन वाइल ऑन ए जर्नी फ्रॉम इंडिया टू जापान. ऑप्शंस आर: ए कैन बी ट्राइड ईदर इन कोरिया और इन इंग्लैंड बिकॉज द मर्डरर वॉज ए कोरियन एंड द विक्टिम वॉज ए नेशनल ऑफ इंग्लैंड. बी. ए कैन बी प्रोसिक्यूटेड इन इंडिया इन एनी प्लेस वेयर ही इज फाउंड अंडर सेक्शन 4 of IPC. C. A cannot be prosecuted in India because the offence has not been committed against an Indian citizen. D. A can only be prosecuted in Korea because only that country of which an offender is a national has jurisdiction to prosecute. And the correct answer is B. Can be prosecuted in India in any place where he is found. 26. Point out incorrect response. The following persons are exempted from the jurisdiction of criminal courts in India. A. Alien enemies committing acts of war. B. Foreign sovereigns. C. Foreign army on Indian soil present with the consent of the government of India. D. Alien enemy committing a crime unconnected with war, that is theft, etc. And the correct answer is alien enemy committing a crime unconnected with war, etc., theft, etc. So this is the incorrect response. Question number 27. Point out incorrect response. The following persons are exempted from the jurisdiction of criminal courts in India? A. The governors of state in India. B. The President of India. C. Foreign ambassadors. D. Prime Minister of India. And the correct answer is Prime Minister of India. Which one of the following brings out the distinction between section 34 and 149 of IPC? A. Section 34 creates a specific offence whereas section 149 does not. B. Section 34 as well as section 149 creates specific offence. C. Section 149 creates a specific offence whereas section 34 does not. D. Section 34 as well as section 149 does not create specific offence. And the correct answer is C. Section 149 creates specific offence whereas section 34 does not. Question number 29 is an assertion. It has a reason also. So assertion is X and Y had independently entertained the idea to kill Z. Accordingly, each of them separately inflicted wounds on Z, who dies in consequence. X and Y are liable for murder with the aid of section 34 IPC. Reason: when a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of common intention of all, each of such person is liable as if the whole act is done by him alone of the above statements. So इसी को हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं. इसमें जो है ऑप्शंस हैं ए, बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू एंड आर इज करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए. बी, बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू एंड आर इज नॉट ए करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए. सी, ए इज ट्रू बट आर इज फॉल्स. डी, ए इज फॉल्स बट आर इज ट्रू. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, ए इज फॉल्स बट आर इज ट्रू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. To constitute an offence of criminal conspiracy, what is the necessary condition to be proved? A. There must be a prior meeting of two or more persons. B. There must be an arrangement of two or more persons to do an illegal act or to do a illegal act by legal act by illegal means. C. A person does an illegal act with the help of two or more persons. D. Two or more persons commit a crime on a sudden provocation with guilty mind. And the answer is B. There must be arrangement of two or more persons to do an illegal act or to do a legal act by illegal means. Question number 31. Which one of the following statement regarding section 34 and section 149 of Indian Penal Code is correct? Options हैं A. Common intention and common object are the same. B. Both are distinct offences in themselves. C. Section 34 enunciates a mere principle of liability and creates no offence, while Section 149 creates a specific offence. Section D option है Section 34 and 149 are mutually helping sections, and the correct answer is C. Section 34 enunciates a mere principle of liability and creates no offence, while Section 149 creates a specific offence. Question number 32. Section 34 of IPC provides for liability based on common intention. Consider the following situation. First situation: the weapon used in the offence was found in A's house. Second, A has procured the weapon of offence voluntarily to aid the criminal gang. Third, A was compelled under threat to his life to procure the weapon of offence. D, the weapon was supplied on receipt of value of the weapon, that is sale. Which of the situation given the above reflect the correct ingredients with regard to section 34? So options are 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 2 only, and D 4 only. And the correct answer is 2 only. The A has procured the weapon of offence voluntarily to aid the criminal gang. Question number 33 पे चलते हैं. Section 34 of IPC. Options are: first, creates a substantive offence. B is a rule of evidence. C both A and B. D neither A nor B. And the correct answer is B is a rule of evidence. Question number 34. The difference between section 34 and section 149 of Indian Penal Code. First, that whereas in section 34 there must at least be 5 persons, section 149 requires only 2 persons. B option, that section 149 is only a rule of evidence, whereas section 34 creates a specific offence and provides for its punishment. C. That section 34 requires active participation in action, whereas section 149 requires a mere passive membership of unlawful family. And D. That section 34 need not be joined with the principal offence, whereas section 149 must be combined with the principal offence. And the correct answer is option C, that the section 34 requires active participation in action, whereas section 149 requires mere passive membership of the unlawful assembly. Question number 35. To establish section 34 of IPC, options are A. Common intention be proved but not overt act be proved. B. Common intention and overt act both be proved. C. Common intention need not be proved but overt act be proved. And D. None. And the correct answer is A. Common intention be proved but not overt act be proved. यानी कि overt act हो ना हो लेकिन common intention prove होनी चाहिए. Question number 36. Common intention under section 34 implies A. Similar intention. B. Pre-arranged planning, privity of mind. C. Presence of common knowledge. And D. All of these. And the correct answer is similar intention. Question number 37. When a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of common intention of all, options are A. Each of such person is liable for that act. B. Each of such person is liable for that act in the same manner as if it were done by him alone. C. Each of such person is liable according to their guilt. D. None is incorrect. And the correct answer is B. Each of such person is liable for that act in the same manner as if it were done by him alone. Question number 38 पे चलते हैं. Under section 34, A. Physical presence is necessary. B. Physical presence is not necessary at all. C. Physical presence is necessary for participation but not in all cases. And D is all of these. And the correct answer is C. Physical presence is necessary for participation but not in all cases. Question number 39. For the application of section 34, there must be at least A. 2 persons. B. More than 2 persons. C. 5 persons. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is at least 2 persons. Last question is MCQ series का थर्ड का. Question number 40. The difference between section 34 and section 149 is A. That whereas in section 34 there must be at least 5 persons, section 149 require only 2 persons. That section 149 is only a rule of evidence, whereas section 34 creates a specific offence and provides for its punishment. C. That section 34 require active participation in action, whereas section 149 require mere passive membership of an unlawful assembly. I think ये क्वेश्चन जो है इसी सीरीज में रिपीट हो गया है, सो मैं आपसे माफी चाहता हूँ इस चीज के लिए, लेकिन अभी आ गया है तो हम इसको पढ़ लेते हैं. एंड द ऑप्शन इज C. That section 34 require active participation in action, whereas section 149 requires mere passive membership of the unlawful assembly. इसी का हम देख लेते हैं कौन सा क्वेश्चन था जो हमने पीछे किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 both are same questions, so it has been repeated, so I apologize for that. So question number 40 and question number 34 has been repeated. Answer is C. So this was the MCQ number 3 multiple choice question of Indian Penal Code, question number 21 to 40. In this video we have discussed 20 questions. Earlier 20 questions, question number 1 to 10, question number 11 to 20 I have already uploaded in MCQ number 1 and 2. I will give the link in the I button and also in the description. So keep watching. अगली बार हम फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.